If you have been drawing trend lines like this, then you have been doing it the wrong way all the time. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Forex Clubhouse, where we discuss day trading tips and strategies to keep you profitable on a consistent basis. Before I show you how to accurately draw trend lines with real examples on the charts, you must first know these 3 rules when it comes to drawing trend lines accurately and efficiently. Rule number 1. We draw trend lines by connecting only the wicks and not the bodies of the candlestick. Rule number 2. For a trend line to be varied, we need at least 2 recent points. Rule number 3. The more the touches, the weaker the trend line becomes. Now let's go to the charts for you to know accurately on how to draw trend lines. Guys and girls, that's it for today. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications for more Forex trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching and happy trading.